Come on along. Rolled in. You guys remember Brownie Byers? Brownie Byers? Do you know what a blue book is? Only if you're from Wisconsin. Oh, wow. Boy's been busy. Boy's been busy. I've been busy too. Out on the road today. 2 calls. Took me all day. Keep people cold. We need people cold. Cold in their sheens. Wow. I think the engine's got to come out of this one. To get at that their transmission. Yeah, I just got back. I'm gonna sit down and do my book work. Close the door so we don't get a headache. Oh, it ain't gonna stay closed. We'll have to find a bungee cord for that. So how are you guys out there? I'm overworked, underpaid. So I'll get over it. I'll have less work one of these days. I don't know what I told you the other day, but I told you at the end, I'll tell you it now. This one's here because puking oil out the transmitter. So we're gonna put an engine out of that so we can get at the torque converter. It's coming out between the torque converter and the transmitter, and that's where we're gonna go. Got all parts for it. Bearing is crushed. Remember that one guy, Baron Bonrowski? Okay, I'm gonna go back to work, so I just wanted to do a little filming while I was in a good mood. So bye. I'm looking for a gremlin. Is there gonna be one in there, Troy? Are you mad? He says cats suck. Mind your way. Cats suck. I agree. This machine sucks anyways, as far as getting that engine out. Holy crap. Yeah, they don't give you any room, do they? Nope. Engineered to fail. Boogers. What's that? It's a flywheel.
I think he might have dropped a washer the last time he was in here.
You think you're missing one?
Yeah, it kind of looks like it. By the way, everything's hammered on that.
Ooh, yeah. At some point, something went rattling around in there. What kind of washer? Is it special?
Don't look too special, but
Nope. Good. Then we don't have special order, nothing. Wait. That's a big. That's just a big Perkins, ain't it? We talked about that yesterday. It come out of there. What seems to be the problem here, boys?
No problems. These guys
Oh, look at it.
got them solved.
There it is. But where are they? Troy's always doing this.
That's part of it too.
That's the seal, yeah. That goes inside. But there's your problem.
And the bearings. That seal here.
Uh-oh.
I would just never mind that.
Here's that ring that came also, right? Yes, sir.
Whoa.
Ooh, chowder. Is that laying in the
it's in like
the catch pan, the splash plate?
there's nothing down there. Besides junk.
Why don't you just pop that cover off and silicone her back on and spill oil all over the floor?
I'll get her over drain pan.
Yeah, you're gonna have to. Well, good, I can call the customer and tell them what the deal was. We got all of these parts ready to go, right? Yep, I know we do. That looks wonderful. Does it spin in the race though? In the hole? Is the outer race spin? Good, then we're good.
That's pretty tight.
I don't know why that's there.
You just feel that, just getting more lube, more oil in there.
Well, see, that seal holds the oil going in through here. I forget, I watched it.
Seals are in the torque converter.
Yeah, but it goes, yeah, you have to look up an animated on YouTube. They got an animated version of how that torque converter gets its oil and then how it comes back.
I can imagine.
Can you feel the stator and all that? Do you want to go into there?
Do I want to go into there?
Yeah,
Negative.
me neither.
Charlie.
I think we're good.
Yeah, it looks fine.
So being that it was wobbling is where the oil was coming by. Well, we know, there's the
Yeah,
problem, it's
seal.
right there, it's pretty damn evident. Okay, I'll just shut up and go back to working on my stainless steel. Did you pull that thing out? And
No, I'm gonna leave the hole plugged until the new one gets here.
what did he say? Put one in? Oh, well, good. We're gonna have a conference now.
Okay.
No, you're the master. You're the old guy. You gotta tell an old guy story. Did you get wet today?
No, I didn't. I was lucky enough that when I loaded, it wasn't raining hard, and when I unloaded, it wasn't raining hard.
Really?
Kevin came and unloaded it.
Oh. Thought maybe what do they call that up on the rain dance when they want rain? Maybe you did a dry dance.
It rained all the way back though, from down there south.
Troy doesn't say much when he's really in a tight spot, but he was in a tight spot. You have to work underneath that. There's no belly pan on these machines to get up from the bottom. You have to work between the cab and there's big hoses, and you can see the giant, you know, wow. Giant collection of Pierre de Brice. So he's got to get that all back in there. He's got that pump suspended by a come long, and them two boys have been working their hind ends off, I'll tell you. So yeah, we're gonna put this one back together and fill that tranny up with oil, and she's gonna go back to the woods. I have no idea what would cause that other than high hours on it. The cat guy looked it up. They've had a few that have done that over the years, but not many. I mean, he looked up where the parts were sold. You know how they can do that. Yeah, that's kind of a beast. I wasn't here, unfortunately, to film them pulling the engine, because sometimes I gotta do things off-site. So that's where we're at. And a little apology out there to, I think I said it in the other video. When things happen, I'll just put this out there. You've seen that mule in here before. You've seen that skidder over there. The clutch is out. We had issues getting the clutch, and the wrong clutch came in and whatever. But you know, I try to please everybody all the time. It just doesn't work. But when you're talking about $200,000-$300,000 machines coming through, and you've got big operations going, and on the other side of the coin, if you're and I don't like to do it, I have to push stuff off. Somebody has to pay. We have to. It's kind of like, you know, you reach for the fruit that's being handed, and you work your hind end off to get those bigger accounts and the bigger jobs. And yes, you have the smaller accounts, the smaller jobs, But somebody somewhere down the line, because I don't have enough manpower, is gonna pay for it. And unfortunately, I've got a few pissed off people. I don't know what to do, what to say. It is what it is. But long-term business, you gotta look at it from my point of view too. So I'm just trying to explain that, hey, you know, you gotta look at it from the long term. Some of it's just business and I can't get to it. And then there's always the comments, well, hell, that's easy to do. I could take that apart and we could have done that. I could take it apart. Well, then take it apart. It's a rough goal here sometimes, so pleasing everybody, and I know it'll never be done. So we're doing what we can, the best we can with the ability that we have. And some people don't like the truth. They hide, and I'm that kind of guy. You guys know me by now. I tell the truth. I tell them I can't get at it, I can't get at it, and I can't get at it, and I can't get at it. I don't know what else to do, so. Enough of that though. Like I said, I'm not Superman. I'm not gonna hire 4 more guys just for 2 jobs. It just doesn't work that way. I know I'll shut up. Hey, you guys have a good one. Take her light. We'll see you later, homie. Hasta lumbago. See you, bye. Hey guys, if you'd like to see more, help support the channel, click the thumbs up, subscribe, and the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get notifications every time I put up a video. It'd be really appreciated. This gets to be quite a chore sometimes, and every little bit and every one of you subscribers helps, so I'd appreciate it. Click the subscribe, the little bell. Take care. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoy my videos.